In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a perfect straight line without using any tools. Stay tuned, we are going to start right now. Have you tried drawing a straight line without using any tools? To draw a perfect line, you need to follow few rules. This I've explained even in how to draw a perfect circle. Check out this video here. Rule number 1, never draw using your fingers or your wrist like this. Rule number 2, never rest your elbow, let it be free. Rule number 3, you should use your complete arm. Your complete arm should move. Only then you will get a smooth movement, so the flow of the drawing will be very nice. To draw a straight line, you should practice a lot. Use a ruler and mark with a pen or a marker on a paper, and then start tracing on the same line. Remember the rules. Never draw using fingers or wrist. Never rest your elbow. You should use your complete arm. After few practice, you can try out how well your straight line will come from one point to another point, like this. Try this method, sure you will get it. Practice this method every day for a couple of days. Here there is no tricks and practice makes you perfect. To learn the other basic shapes, check out the link in the description below. If you like this video, please do like and share. And don't miss to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys soon. Bye.